Hi everybody, welcome to this video. I'm Queen Z, this is Wilson, and today we're going to be doing something a little different. Eye makeup inspired by Korra in the Avatar state. Thank you for the person who inspired me to do this. I'm excited. Woo! Excitement. So first you're going to want to prime your eyes, and after that on your upper eyelids, you're going to put a layer of white cream paint, and then you can build these layers on top of each other just to make it seem whiter. You want the white to be as bright and as visible as possible on your eyelids. And it's okay if you get a little bit above your upper eyelids. You'll be blending it out anyways. After you layer on the white cream paint on your eyelids, you're going to take a white eyeshadow and apply that onto your eyelids as well, covering everywhere you put or apply the white cream paint. This is going to work almost as a translucent powder while also making the white color show up more and pop more. Like with the white cream paint you just applied, you're also going to want to apply the white eyeshadow in layers just to make the white pop out more and be brighter, as I've said previously. And then just smooth out anywhere that it was bumpy or that the cream got smeared. After that, put another layer of white, I guess. And finally, move on to applying a medium blue eyeshadow on your lower brow, right above the white of your upper eyelids. You're going to want to make sure that the blue doesn't flake on to the white, but if it does, we'll fix that later. So yeah, just put a blue eyeshadow and curve it as if you were doing your eyelids. So make it narrower towards your inner corner of the eye and a little bit wider towards the outer corner of your eye. And then you're going to take a light blue eyeshadow and apply it closer to the inner corner of your eye area. And after that, you'll also put a darker blue eyeshadow on the outer corner of your eye. You're making the illusion of Korra when her eyes turn white, yours when they're closed, if that makes sense. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So again, a medium blue base everywhere under your brow, curved as if it was being applied to your eyes. And then a darker blue eyeshadow on the outer corner and a lighter blue eyeshadow on the inner corner area. And make sure it is curved to not go past the curve of your lower eyelid. This is just to make a more solid shape. Because again, the illusion is that when you close your eyes, the whites are Korra's eyes when she's in the avatar state, and the blue is the eyeshadow above. After applying the eyeshadow, you're going to put blue eyeliner along your lower lid's waterline and then curve upwards and outline the top of the blue eyeshadow with blue eyeliner. This takes a while because I was using a pencil eyeliner rather than a gel or liquid liner. But you're going to do the same on both sides. Just outline the blue eyeshadow, make a sharper point on each corner of the eyeshadow and apply it on the lower lids. Add white eyeshadow on your upper eyelids to cover any blue eyeshadow that fell, and add a white highlighter onto your upper eyelids as well to make it seem like they're glowing. Don't forget to apply the setting spray once you're finished, because that's it. Yay!